ever wondered what a genuine Lithuanian sauna experience is really like? Do you imagine something like this? Or this? Or maybe this? In Lithuania, it can be all of these and more. Here, a sauna is a place that you define. It can be a place where you face your biggest fears, discover your own boiling point, and make the heat become your friend, for a little bit at least. Or it could be your spa, your tranquil temple, your room for ideas, your office even. It's your choice how to experience Lithuanian sauna. And believe us, there are no bad choices here. Just one small piece of advice from experienced sauna lovers. Whatever you choose, don't forget to let yourself go and really feel the heat, the steam, the touch, the leaves, the air, and the water. After all, it's this combination of natural elements that makes the Lithuanian sauna experience truly authentic. Find your sauna self in Lithuania.